When formatting your document, you often have a need to indent paragraphs. You can change paragraph indentation by using the handy shortcuts covered in this quick tip. One of the common tasks that's done to break up text and make it more interesting to the reader is to indent some paragraphs. For instance, I can indent these paragraphs right here just by selecting them, and then all I have to do is press Control M, and those paragraphs are indented. I could also, on the Home tab of the ribbon, use the Increase Indent tool right here, or if I wanted to decrease the indent, I could just as easily use the Decrease Indent tool. So how do you decrease the indentation here? By using the keyboard. All you have to do is use Shift Control M, and they're moved back to the way that they were. Notice that I selected the paragraphs before I changed how the indentation appeared. If I only want to adjust the indent of a single paragraph, I don't have to select the entire thing. I can just place the insertion pointer somewhere within that paragraph, and again, I can press Control M or use the control on the Home tab of the ribbon, or Shift Control M to move that indentation back out. Every time I press Control M, it goes in another ½ inch within the document. Every time I press Shift Control M, it goes back out by ½ of an inch within the document. So there you have it, a real easy way to indent your paragraphs to wherever you want them to be indented. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.